Hello friends, so this is dilemma number 4. How can I become favorite of my teachers and bosses? So I would like to share a story with you. So when I was in college and I was teaching students, BBA students, and we had this college fest which every college has, and I was part of the fashion team. So we were supposed to do a fashion show with almost 100 participants and 3 themes. So a crowd of 100 students have to be managed, so we needed volunteers. So there was a selection process through which we are selecting these volunteers, and out of a lot of around 45 students, we could select 7 volunteers. After the selection is over, so 2 people come up to me and they tell me, मैम आप बहुत बायस हैं, आपने सिलेक्शन में पार्शियलिटी की है. Okay, I could not lose my calm, so I called one of the volunteers. So let's name them. So the selected volunteer is Ishita, and these two are Nikita and Rahul. So Nikita, Rahul and Ishita को मैंने एक साथ बुला के I handed them a task. I said, all of you are given this task of getting the roll numbers, the names, the class, section, and what is their theme of the fashion show, the participants. And you are supposed to prepare this report, the entire list. It should be prepared maximum by tomorrow. The list should be on my table 10 o'clock. क्या हुआ होगा, क्या लगता है आप लोगों को, क्या हुआ होगा? जी हाँ, वही हुआ. इशिता was ready with the report, though there were some numbers missing. कुछ बच्चों का फोन नंबर नहीं है, किसी का एड्रेस नहीं है, या किसी का भी थीम डिसाइडेड नहीं है. That is okay, but she had a list of around 96 participants, and the list was there on my table 10 o'clock. Now rest of these 2 students, they are nowhere to be seen. ना उनका कोई मैसेज है, ना उनकी कोई इंफॉर्मेशन है कि वो कब आएंगे, कहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं. And day before yesterday, they are ready to interact with me on a note that why you are not selecting us and you are being biased and things like that. तो अब अगर हम अपने डिलेमा की बात करें, तो कोई भी टीचर या बॉस तब तक बायस होता है जब तक आप अपनी परफॉर्मेंस, अपनी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज को टेक ओवर नहीं करते हैं. इफ यू आर वर्किंग टुवर्ड्स द गोल विच यू हैव बीन गिवन, द बायसेस, इवन इफ द बायसेस आर देयर, it's a human nature, you could be biased towards a person, but your performances, your carry on of the responsibilities will cut the biases. आपका जो KRA है, आपकी जो परफॉर्मेंस है, that will speak much greater than the biases. So the moral of the story is कि आपको जो भी काम दिया जा रहा है, अगर आपको 2 काम दिए जा रहे हैं, तो अगर आप 2 से 3 बढ़ के करेंगे तो आप अपने टीचर के या अपने बॉस के फेवरेट बन जाएंगे. लेकिन अगर आपको 2 काम दिए जा रहे हैं, उसमें से भी आप एक ही काम कर पा रहे हैं, या फिर आपको 4 बार कहा जा रहा है वो काम करने के लिए, तो आई एम सॉरी, आप कभी भी अपनी ना टीचर के ना ही किसी बॉस के फेवरेट बन सकते हैं. Yes, you could do some maska thing for your bosses or teachers, और कुछ टाइम के लिए maybe you feel that yes you have achieved that, but it will never be long term. So the final crux of the matter is that concentrate on your responsibilities, concentrate on your performances, and you will do wonders. For any details, any queries, you can contact me. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, so kindly go subscribe to my channel. This would help you or somebody else. And do like and share my video. Thank you.